Wixco Exor. Walking with Peach tonight. Lots of leaves. It's chilly out here tonight. Like super cold. And now Peach is walking me. We're going to take a walk with the lighted area. I'm feeling this baby tonight. I like it. I don't have my glasses, so I can't see the information. I don't even know if it's even on there. Maybe. I can't see it anyways. I'm just gonna let her walk me. Come on, girl. This leash is so long, guys. It wraps around her. And of course her harness is loose again. I don't know if my lens is dirty or not. That looks pretty weird. They chopped those trees to crap. Leland cypress. That's a big old Christmas tree. In the daytime, it looks pretty cool. Yeah, they chopped the crap out of these. They were hanging over the road. It's one of them hog brush things, big giant thing. Hope everybody had a great week. It was fun. Going to my daughter's tomorrow for Halloween party. I'm gonna take Peaches. Come on, girl. It's like 47 degrees. I'm in flip-flops. Truth. But I got a nice warm sweatshirt on. Come on, girl. What are you walking over there for? Come on. Come on. Get out of there. Come on, girl. Come on. I'll tell you. She got a mind of her own. Woohoo. She had to tinkle. Usually that creek is really running. And then goes under the road. Comes out down there. In my neighbor's backyard. What you see in there? Whew, that's how cold it is, guys. Look. That's how cold it is. In North Carolina. Western North Carolina. It's crazy. Whew. Girl, come on. I don't know what she thinks she's smelling. Unless the other neighbor dog was down here. Oh boy, is it gonna snow? Usually when I can see my breath like this, it's gonna snow. Wow. Almost to the house. She hasn't done her number 2 yet. Cool. I'm going to do some photos later of the fog machine. Maybe at my daughter's party. It's supposed to be lots of fun. We'll see. I'm sure I'll be making some videos. My lens must be dirty because I got such a haze around the lights. Speaking of that, I got to get my lights fixed on my side patio there. I'm missing so many. Now, there's bigger bulbs. I'm not sure how much they are. Oh, look, there's a cat. It's my neighbor's cat. Look, he sees me now. You better run. He's got like 3 cats over there. He's got a really pretty calico one, that one, and I think he has a white one. He's still peeking at me. He's like, who are these people on my turf? Nope, y'all just moved in. It's my turf. Come on, Peach, you're a girl. You're never even going to pee on that. I don't know why you're sniffing it. Come on, old girl. Well, here's to an awesome weekend for everyone. I'll see you on my live on Sunday, 5 p.m. Eastern Time. And have a great one. I'll see you in the chats, guys. Bye.